Today I'm going to show you how to make Rocky Road. You will need 300 grams of dark or milk chocolate, 150 grams of Digestive biscuits, 100 grams of marshmallows, 100 grams of butter and 3 tablespoons of golden syrup. Firstly, you want to melt your butter and your chocolate. I do this by popping them in the microwave for 20-second blasts until they're melted, but you can do it over a saucepan of boiling water, whichever way you prefer. And then once melted, you just want to mix them together. Then once mixed together, you want to add your golden syrup and mix again until really well combined. Then in a separate bowl, you just want to break up your Digestive biscuits. They just want to be chunks of Digestive biscuits rather than breadcrumbs, so just a rough breakage is all you need. You can do it with a rolling pin if you want, I just find it easier to do it by hand. Then add 3/4 of your marshmallows, just popping the rest to one side, and add your chocolate mix and mix really well until everything is well coated. Then I have used a 20cm square cake tin, which I have lined with cling film. And you just want to pop your mixture into the middle of the tin, just spreading it out evenly, and then just sprinkle over the remaining marshmallows. And then you want to pop this in the fridge for about 3 hours until it is set. And then once set, just take it out the fridge and cut it into the size squares that you want. And there you have it. That's how you make Rocky Road.